Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a Python language. First, install Python and a good code editor like VS Code. Then, dive into the basics: variables, data types, and control flow. These are the building blocks of any program. Make sure to practice coding every single day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Consistent practice is key to building strong foundational skills. Once you have the basics down, move on to functions, modules, and object-oriented programming. These concepts will allow you to write more organized and reusable code. Don't just read about them. Build small projects to apply what you learn. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding and helps you see how different parts of Python work together. Now it's time to expand your horizons. Explore powerful libraries like NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data analysis, or Django for web development. Tackle more ambitious projects that require integrating multiple concepts and libraries. This is where your problem-solving skills truly grow. Contributing to open-source projects provides invaluable experience and networking opportunities. Learning Python is a continuous journey, not a destination. Always stay curious and keep up with new versions and best practices. A great way to solidify your understanding is to explain concepts to someone else. It truly tests your knowledge. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals and resources.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.